So now that you're considering buying your first home, I want to let you know that there are a couple of layers of protection in here to help protect you should something happen. So what do I mean by that? So you have homeowner's insurance on your property. So should you have a kitchen fire or a terrible storm like a hurricane or something come through, homeowner's insurance can kick in and repair or even replace your home if it, say, burned down to the ground. So you have homeowner's insurance to protect you. You can get a home warranty on your home, which is, I really do advise that that's a really great idea to get, especially if it's your first home. A home warranty covers the large appliances and kind of those more costly items. So let's say your air conditioning system goes out, that home warranty would allow you to call that number, they send an AC tech out, and you just pay a service fee. And any repairs or even a replacement, it's taken care of with that home warranty, which is a really big deal. Another layer of protection is in your title insurance. Your title insurance you paid for at the time of closing, and it's a one and done. You don't pay for it year after year like you do for your homeowner's insurance. Your title insurance warrants that you have free and clear ownership on this home that you're buying from the day that you purchased it, and it gives you clear title all the way back. So that way somebody can't come knocking on your door in a couple of years and say, hey, my Aunt Mildred left me this home, I'm the rightful owner. That title insurance will help them go away, and it certifies that you have clean and clear ownership to your property. So sometimes people ask, what if there's an outstanding permit, or what if there's a lien out there? We're not going to go to closing unless everything is satisfied. And so I want to make sure you know you are the full and rightful owner if we're sitting at that closing table and then moving forward.